Hello folks, it's Space Chase again. Welcome to Grimsby, Saturday the 31st of May 2025. So we're not going to film the normal buses today. Next to me is the railway line, but we won't see any trains on it because from today until about 1400 on Sunday, June the 8th, there is engineering work. There's no trains through Grimsby or Cleethorpes and it's replacement bus services. So in the case of the Trans-Pennine service, it's a bus from Cleethorpes through to Scunthorpe. East Midlands are running buses between Cleethorpes and Grimsby and Lincoln, and also between Cleethorpes and Barton-on-Humber. So it's just after 1 o'clock. We're hoping to see 3 buses in this video. I'm going to do a more comprehensive video in a few days' time when I get a chance, but just thought I'd do an introduction here. Obviously if anything really interesting goes past, I'll film that as well, but we are trying to look at the rail replacement buses, so we'll see what we see. So kicking us off, PC coach of Lincoln, YT10 UWP, Scania Omnidecker, very nice indeed. Next one, two-way travel of Scunthorpe, RJZ 3688. And hot on its heels, SK22BTZ, Acklam's, So next up we've got a blue Vanhill coach, T9 VCC. Didn't catch the legal lettering on that one, so I've no idea whose it is, unfortunately. I'll do some research. If I find out, I'll pin a comment to the video. It did have a blanked out Viking name, but I don't think it's theirs anymore. And last but not least for this one, Johnson's of Market Raisin, Irizar i6J21EEG. So thank you for watching. As I say, I'll do a longer video about the rail replacements at some point and I'll post that in due course. But thanks for watching, take care, I'll see you soon, bye for now.